In January 2026, India and the European Union made history. After nearly 2 decades of negotiations, both sides finally signed what leaders are calling the mother of all trade deals. This is not just another agreement. It brings together India, the world's fastest growing major economy, and the European Union, one of the largest economic blocs on Earth. Together, they represent more than 2 billion people and nearly 1/4 of global GDP. So what exactly is this deal? Why does it matter so much, and which Indian sectors stand to benefit the most? Let's break it down. The India-European Union Free Trade Agreement is a comprehensive economic partnership. It removes or sharply reduces tariffs on more than 96% of goods traded between India and the European Union. But this deal is not limited to goods alone. It also covers services, investment protection, customs simplification, intellectual property, digital trade, and sustainability commitments. For India, this is the most ambitious market opening it has ever agreed to. For Europe, it is a strategic move to diversify supply chains and reduce overdependence on a few regions. Even before this agreement, India and the EU were already trading goods worth over 120 billion euros every year. But tariffs, regulations, and compliance barriers made trade expensive and slow. With this deal in place, European companies are expected to save nearly 4 billion euros every year in duties. At the same time, India gains stable, long-term access to one of the world's richest consumer markets. This is not a short-term boost. This is a structural shift in how India integrates with the global economy. Now let's look at which sectors in India benefit the most. The biggest winner is textiles and apparel. Until now, Indian garments entering Europe faced tariffs of up to 12%. Under the new agreement, most of these tariffs will gradually fall to zero. This makes Indian textiles far more competitive compared to exporters from many other countries. Millions of workers, especially in small and medium enterprises, stand to benefit directly from this change. Another major gainer is India's gems and jewelry sector. India is already a global hub for cutting, polishing, and jewelry design. Lower tariffs mean Indian jewelry becomes more affordable and more competitive across European markets. Marine and seafood exports are also set to gain significantly. Products like shrimp and frozen seafood will face much lower duties. This directly benefits coastal economies in states like Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Pharmaceuticals and healthcare are another crucial area. India is known as the pharmacy of the world, especially for high-quality generic medicines. This deal improves regulatory cooperation and reduces procedural delays. That means Indian medicines can reach European patients faster and at lower cost. Engineering goods and manufacturing also see long-term benefits. European machinery and technology will enter India at lower tariffs. While this increases competition, it also brings advanced technology, better productivity, and stronger global manufacturing linkages. The automobile sector is more carefully balanced. Car tariffs are reduced gradually and under strict quotas. This protects Indian manufacturers while still allowing technology transfer and future collaboration. Beyond goods, services are a major strategic win for India. The agreement improves access for Indian IT services, professional services, financial services, and digital businesses. It reduces regulatory friction and creates clearer rules for cross-border services. This strengthens India's position as a global services powerhouse. Geopolitically, this deal sends a strong message. The European Union is looking beyond traditional partners to build resilient trade relationships. India, on the other hand, positions itself as a key alternative in global supply chains. Together, this partnership reflects a shift toward cooperation between large democratic economies. not everything is fully liberalized. Sensitive sectors like dairy and certain agricultural products remain protected. Environmental standards, such as Europe's carbon rules, will still challenge some Indian exporters. But overall, the long-term direction is clear. Assuming smooth ratification and effective implementation, this deal can drive higher exports, more foreign investment, job creation, and deeper global integration for India. The India-EU trade agreement is not just about lowering tariffs. It is about reshaping India's role in the global economy for decades to come. This is why it is called the mother of all trade deals.